Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Jello at home. So making Jello is super easy, and it doesn't really take much. And then you have Jello at home, and it's way less expensive to buy a box of Jello and make Jello that way than it is to get it in the little packs. Like the little packs, you get like 6 for like $5. It's outrageous. Okay, so I am pouring 1 cup of water into my pot, and I'm going to turn the heat on so that will boil. Once it starts to bubble, and I didn't get it up to a full rolling boil, it just started bubbling, and then I did the next step, which is to pour in the packet of Jello. I'm using lime Jello, that's why it's electric green. So I added that, and then I just mixed it up until it was dissolved. And I let it cook for just a minute while I was mixing it. But once it was all dissolved, I turned the heat off, and then I'm going to add in a cup of cold water. And I didn't show it on camera, but I had put a couple of ice cubes in while the water was boiling, just to make sure that the water was cold and stay cold, and then I scooped those out before I poured in the cold water. So now I'm adding in a cup of cold water after I turn the heat off. And I'm just continuing to mix this. I don't know why everything's dissolved. I don't really think you have to mix it, but I did. So then I am going to pour this in my dish in just a second. And you can see like everything is completely dissolved. That's the important part, is you want to make sure that everything in the packet gets completely dissolved. And then I'm going to cover this with some saran wrap. And I am going to put that in the fridge, and it has to refrigerate for at least 4 hours. And when I put hot stuff in the fridge like this, I like to leave a little vent hole just so that so much condensation doesn't get on the saran wrap. I don't know that it actually helps anything, but that's what I do. And there it is. You just cut it up in little squares. If you want to see more recipes, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.